Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by pairing the AirPods Pro to your Android phone. Open Bluetooth, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes, then tap the AirPods name to connect. Once done, make sure Android Media Audio and Call Audio are both enabled in the device's Bluetooth profile. For better notifications and battery readouts, consider installing a third-party companion app. This is optional but useful. You need these basics handled before adjusting noise-canceling behavior or using advanced controls. Next, adjust noise-canceling behavior and control mapping. Open the Bluetooth device details in Android settings to verify input/output routing and see if press and hold is available. If the stock settings won't expose ANC toggles, install Air Battery or Assistant Trigger to display ANC status and let you switch modes. Then map the stem press and hold action through the app or Android accessibility shortcuts to cycle between noise control modes, noise canceling, transparency, and off, so you can toggle quickly without returning to settings. Finish by tuning fit and testing performance. Play varied audio and try transparency to confirm microphones work. If noise canceling is weak, swap tips and reseat the buds. A proper seal is critical for ANC. If modes fail to switch, reboot your phone, unpair and repair the AirPods, or perform a factory reset of the case. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure any companion app has required permissions and that Bluetooth audio codec and call routing settings aren't interfering with ANC function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.